Your facial skincare regime begins with a good cleanser. Are you bored of using artificial chemical cleansers for your delicate facial skin? Wish to take a break from using them? Then, we have picked out perfect natural recipes to deeply cleanse and exfoliate your skin to reveal the beautiful you from within. Natural ingredients are time-tested and provide great benefits to the skin. 1. Always wash your face before bed. Not washing away the day's grime? You're asking for a breakout. Stash cleansing wipes on your nightstand for nights when you're too tired to move. Your 2. Face wipes. It might be time to break up with the face wipes. Yes, we know they're the easy option, but at what price to your skin? The majority are loaded with chemicals which, sure, will dissolve your makeup, but surfactants and emulsifiers tend to aggravate. Not to mention the scrubbing involved on a stubborn scrap of mascara. All that pulling is a massive no-no around your delicate eyes. 3. Micellar water. This no-rinse cleansing option is powered by tiny Micell's oil molecules that act as a magnet to lift dirt, oil, and makeup up and away from the skin. 4. Face pack. No matter what your skin type is, the application of a moisturizing face pack makes your skin soft and also improves your skin tone. Dr. Rahul Nagar, dermatologist at Max Hospitals, adds, if you have combination to oily skin, apply a face pack that contains Multani Mitti, Fuller's Earth, since it soaks up excess oil. 5. Scrub well. Scrubbing is the most important step in the face cleanup as the granules in a scrub helps remove dead skin cells, oil, dirt, any product buildup that are settled deep into the skin.